What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. In this video, we're going to be checking out Pepe coin once again. Pepe fam, stand up where you guys are at, man. Show some love to the video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, make this video go viral. Always remember, I am not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose into crypto, guys. But again, Pepe coin holders, man, if you hold, let's see, man, let's do some math real quick. See, you have $1,000 invested into Pepe. How much Pepe is that? 743 million Pepe. Let's go $300, man. Let's see how much is that. 223 million. If you have just around 100 million Pepe, potentially that could make you so much crazy gains in the future, man. 100 million to 1 billion Pepe could make you a potential lot of gains in the future, like a whole lot, man. I'm telling you guys, like, I think that Pepe is gonna be the biggest meme coin this cycle. It's gonna surpass Doge and Shiba, in my opinion, because of the history that Pepe has as one of the top memes that people know of, right? Before the Pepe coin became so popular in the space and went to 1.6 or 1.7 billion dollars in market cap, it was known throughout all of investment, crypto, stock, Twitter, stock, Reddit, right? Telegram. You'd be in Telegram groups, you'd see the Pepe coin, the Pepe meme, and you'd see you know, that frog all over, man. So many different stickers of the frog. When you check out tweets, people are using the frog as like the Pepe frog as like a way to reply, as a way to troll people. It's all over the place. So even before it became this huge and popular meme coin, it was already a huge and popular meme. And I don't think there's ever gonna be any other Pepe that launches that will surpass this Pepe with this contract, right? This is gonna be the biggest Pepe coin in the space, in my opinion. So if you have around, you know, $100 to $1,000 invested in this, you can make some very nice gains, man. A 100x from here for Pepe, you got $500 in. That could be $50,000. $100 could go to $10,000. $1,000 could go to $100,000 going into the bull market. And I wouldn't rule out these type of possibilities for Pepe, guys, because for it to do another 100x from here is would put it at around Shiba Inu's top, the market cap that Shiba Inu was at with the top of the cycle, right? We could go to compare market cap to take a look, but right now it's at $527 million in market cap, $110 million in 24-hour trade volume, down 11%. Why is it down 11%? Because Bitcoin is dumping down right now. Ethereum is also coming down. So Bitcoin is retracing. Bitcoin is bearish. Ethereum gets bearish, and other altcoins get bearish as well. So Pepe is just following the broader market because we're bearish, but as soon as Bitcoin finds a support, ETH will find a support, and then all of a sudden we're gonna get bullish once again and start making moves back to the upside, right? So these are the type of moments where you DCA, you want to get your Pepe bag. Now is the time you could toss a couple $100 at it if you're looking for the full $1,000 investment into Pepe, right? Let's go to compare market cap, and I'll show you guys like 100x for Pepe. I wouldn't rule it out, man. You see right here on compare market cap, everyone is using this comparison the most, Pepe with Dogecoin, right? That's the one that they're using the most. And for it to go to Dogecoin's current market cap, that's an 18.6x. The all-time high market cap is a 158x. So now if we go, I will give it to, for example, Sheeb. I will give it to Sheeb's all-time high at the top of the bull market, if not more, because a lot of people say this next bull market will be the biggest we've ever seen, right? That's what a lot of people are speculating, that it's going to be the biggest. Now that's a 73x. I'm giving it 100x for Pepe for sure from here. Not obviously, I say for sure. Nothing is guaranteed in crypto, not financial advice, but I think the awareness, how many people know about it, how much the meme of Pepe is so ingrained into us subconsciously, right? We could go on Telegram right now or Twitter. We're gonna see a Pepe meme or a Pepe sticker, a Pepe gif, a Pepe, you know, something with the Pepe frog, man. It's so popular compared to like Shiba or Doge. Shiba or Doge are not nearly as popular as Pepe. So when more and more people get into the space, when there's new retail investors that come into the space, I think Pepe will be where a lot of the retail investors go, the new retail investors go, because guess what, it is also a new project. So there's not much underwater bag holders, because there's a lot of underwater holders in Doge and Shiba because it already experienced some bull markets, right? Pepe has never experienced a bull market, so there's not as many underwater bag holders that'll sell as soon as it starts to get a pump, right? So that is also a next thing that you got to keep an eye out for. Pepe still has a ton of price discovery in the future, right? So yeah guys, 73x, I think it's gonna go 100x, maybe even more, because this next bull market again is speculated to be the biggest bull market, and maybe even the last bull market that you see projects doing 100x's, 1000x's, right? This potentially might be the last one. So it's gonna be the biggest the finale of bull markets, right? So that's what a lot of people are speculating. So keep a mind out for that. And I think you gotta have exposure to meme coins, man. I think you gotta have one meme coin, at least one meme coin in your wallet, at least one. And if you're gonna be on the safe side, it should be Pepe. Shiba and Doge, to me, I think they're gonna do amazing, but I think Pepe is gonna be the best performer as far as meme coins. 50 years ago today, Neil Armstrong became the first human to step foot on the moon. Happy International Moon Day. So not really much new tweets from Pepe. We saw the whale that was moving around money in his wallet. He had 101 trillion sheep, $756 million, and he just moved around 30 million. I wouldn't be surprised he moves his whole sheep bag eventually, or you know, half of his sheep bag into Pepe. Whenever Pepe starts to go crazy again, you're gonna see a lot of the sheep whales and Doge whales start to FOMO into Pepe. In my opinion, I think that's what is gonna happen, right? We still have to wait for that Coinbase listing for Pepe. I think that is gonna happen. Robinhood for sure is gonna happen. That's probably gonna be peak bull market when Pepe is at like 50, 60, $100 billion in market cap. That's when you're gonna see the Robinhood, Coinbase, all of those listings start to happen, and that's when you start to sell. When everybody's talking about Pepe and there's a ton of TikToks there, you know, you see Pepe on TV shows, just like what happened with Doge when Elon went on Saturday Night Live. That's when you hit the sell button, man. When Elon is when whoever is the representative of Pepe, there's gonna be a famous person that's talking about Pepe and going on a TV show talking about Pepe. That's when you're selling, right? But yeah, just a quick update for you guys. Pepe fam, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Blow this video up, make it go viral. If you got a Pepe bag, let me get your thoughts, man. I really think Pepe is gonna go far, and if you have 100 million Pepe to 1 billion, that is a very nice bag to have, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in once again. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to 4,000 subscribers, and I'll catch you in the next one.